Wako wapi? Maisha sponya pale. Pesa yao isaidie.
Inasaidia gani? Wewe ukitaka
unasaidia tu kuslay. Wewe wanatoka kuspondiwa gani?
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalita with another new video, and it's been a while, like a while since February. Hey, how many months are those? 4 months without posting. So guys, I'm back with another new video. For the new subscribers, welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about fashion, lifestyle, and some other videos. Actually, it's all about everything, so just subscribe guys, please kindly subscribe. And guys, thank you for the 1K subscribers. I never told you thank you, like thank you so much. I appreciate the support, I appreciate the love. Thank you guys. So in today's video, I want to go make my nails because these ones are really grown, very grown. So I want to go make my nails because on Saturday we're planning to go somewhere with my friends. Today is Wednesday actually, so this video is going to be long, I know. I went to go make my nails. Then yeah, I make my nails from Mamboleo, those green containers. My KISUMU people, if you always wonder why I make my nails, are the green containers opposite Slaughter in Mamboleo. He's the only guy upstairs, so you can't fail to find him. Yeah, his name is Jack, and I'll write down his contact down there below the description box if you need his services. And for the hair guys, hey guys, you can think I went to town to do this. No, I didn't. I went to my local Saloonist in Mamboleo. Actually, I was recommended by a friend, and I didn't know she was this good, so I love it. So if you also want her, let me know. I'll give you the contact. She's really good. Yeah, so let me just finish up. I head to the salon. Yeah, we shall catch up. So guys, this is dressed in this purple sweat pant. Is from Home to 54. That's the shop number 21. Hi, Jack ako wapi? Na tulifanya appointment. For Jack, let me choose the colors that I want. So far they have this pink. You know guys, I love plain colors. I've always been doing plain, and red is my favorite. Actually, I feel like redoing red again. I just love red. Red is classy, elegant, like I just love it. I might redo it. Hey, Banajonga Jack and Abekanga nikisema red all the time, but I love red. If I'm to look at these ones, which one can I choose? Should I do this green? Guys, which one should I do? I feel like doing this one. It looks pretty, right? Yeah, I think it looks pretty. I'm going to do that green. The pink palette has these colors. This is purple. Yeah, purple has these ones. Nah, he can chora, like he can draw all the design. If you have any design, this guy knows everything. Like he's just perfect at his work, and I just like it. So I think I've decided to do this green, right? Yeah, this one. So as I'm waiting for him, what should I do? Nothing. Let me just sit and wait for this guy to come. Jack is finally here. This is Jack.
I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night go shows, I'm juggling, flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family, frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate.
Ulisikia when your dad is at home unamuogopa. Na yeye akitoka nje ako na boxer na anaosha vyombo. Kwa beshte yako.
I tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become a shall not be head of state. For my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? All the men,
guys, I'm here to show you the results. Yesterday's results. I chose green and they look perfect, right? They look lovely, right? Yeah, guys, this is what I went for. I chose green and I don't regret it. So Jenna, I couldn't capture a video immediately I came back because the weather had changed and it was raining, so I decided to do it today morning to show you the results. See, they're lovely, right? They're perfect, right? Done in Mambaleo. Hey, Mambaleo. Yeah, it's done in Mambaleo. My hair done in Mambaleo. Hey, Mambaleo Shkoju, yeah? Yeah, so my Kisumu people, if you've been wondering where I always make my nails, the number is down there. Guys, this guy's work is just perfect. Like, he's affordable. Okay, not that affordable because some other people is complaining about the price, but his price is worth the work. Like, it's worth it. My red nails, they had taken like 6 weeks. 6 weeks, imagine, that's 1 month and 2 weeks, and they were still in shape, like in shape. So it's something like you're going to pay, but it's going to be worth it. Like, it's going to, like, see, like you're going to go to a place, you're going to pay 500, and within just a week, 2 weeks, actually, when I came to Kisumu, I didn't have a place where to go. Like, I used to go to some place in KCT, but nikiweka, like, whenever I could do my nails within a week, 2 weeks, one is already off, 2. So I was like, I'll be just like be boarding going to LD, because LD was doing my nails from Monkeys, like, oh, that guy, he's just like Jack. His nails are, they're so long lasting. Like, he does it, like, he's expensive in compared to Jack, but his work is also great. Like, you can't regret. So I was thinking of, I should be going to MD to make my nails, then come back. Then unfortunately, I was at my shop and a client of mine came. I loved her nails. I asked her where she does her nails. She recommended me to Jack. Guys, I've never regretted. He has been doing my nails for a very long time, like for now 2 years. Yeah, 2 years, no, 1.5 years, but I haven't regretted. Like, his work is just perfect. I love it. So Jack, keep up the good work. So guys, go check that guy out. You're going to thank me. Trust me, you're going to thank me for that. Yeah. For my hair, it's also nice. I'm going to write her number down there. If you need her services, she's also good, and she can do home service. Like, you can call her at your place. Yeah, that's it, guys. So I think today's video is just about maintenance. I was planning to capture like it may be long, but we're not going to make it. Actually, we postponed it to next weekend, so I couldn't leave you guys hanging. So let me just post this on Wednesday. Then next Wednesday I'll post where we'll be going. I hope you love. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. If you've liked the video, please guys, don't forget, and if you can share it with your friends. Thank you guys for the 1K subscribers. I told you already that. Thank you. I love you. Take care.